Hello, 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 it's Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Daisy, Kathy, Shannon, Tracy, and myself. Shannon is our host for the month of November. She wants us to take the word thankful and create a kit to use in the month of November. You definitely have to check out each of the Mini Kit Monday ladies' channels. I will have their links listed below in the description box. We each have our own take on this word, and that's the only hint I am going to give you. Do not miss out on checking out each of the Mini Kit Monday ladies' kit for the month of November. I decided to take the word thankful and come up with color choices. So before I show you my kit, and the first thing I will show you is my paper selection, but let me go over the colors that I am going to work with within my kit. T for teal, H for hazel, A for amber, N for nut, K for kitty cat black, F for forest green, U for UCLA gold, L for lava, and we're focusing the color red for lava because lava could be black, reds, yellow, and orange tones, and we're focusing on the red. So let me show you my paper selection. First off, we have Chamel, Head in the Clouds, Kiss a Frog, and I don't remember when this is released, and I'm not going to really focus on that. Oh, 2018. So here we have my forest green and a little bit of the teal in here, which also can represent kind of the hazel of eyes that goes of shades of greens. And hazel can be shades of blues or greens to brown or blues to brown for hazel eyes. So this is representing forest green and the word hazel. So that's my first paper selection. Then we have this Heidi Swap paper from Honey and Spice, and this is called Flourish. And I don't see the date real quick here, so we'll just flip it over. I selected this side for the color amber. Then a brighter type amber color is this color here from Amy Tan, Late Afternoon. And if I can read upside down, the prints are so small, 2020. And I can even use this side of the cameras. It represents the forest green, the teal, and the amber, and guess what? The lava. So I can use either one of these sides for my layouts. So I decided to put these three papers together to use to document this photograph of my hand, and I will tell you the story when you come back and watch each Monday. You will find out the story of what happened to my hand. So that is going to be one layout. Next we have Carta Bella, Home Again, and we have this flower paper here, this beautiful wood grain. Again, this represents the color nut. And this is Magnolias. I don't see the year it was released. I'm kind of leaning towards using this side, which also represents the forest green, my teal shade, and in these leaves right here, I don't know that you can tell, is the nut brown. If you can tell that. So that's that one. Here we have Fancy Pants Design. This striped green paper, again a forest green, was released in 2018, Magnolia Moments. And then we have Heidi Swap again, Honey and Spice, and I selected this side. This would not go with my colors. I guess you could say this is a nut brown. I could use this side as well. That's a lighter teal with a lighter like forest green. And so I could use on these two papers here, I could use either side to document. I'm going to show you the photograph. And if you noticed, we have Cartabella, Fancy Pants, and Heidi Swap. So we have 3 different manufacturers or designers, and I think 3 different manufacturers. Yep. And the photograph I'm documenting is this fun photograph and here of myself, my husband, my sister-in-law, my daughter, and my niece. And see, I can use either side. When I go creating, I have no idea at this point what my design layout's going to be, if I'm going to pick some sketches, or I can use this side. It really doesn't matter. That clashes. And see what I'm saying? This is more of a lighter teal. This is more of a darker teal. This has a blue tone, green tone. But I'm leaning towards that. So that's that. That'll be another layout. And then I have this Kaiser Craft, and here is that red tone. Here we have that forest green with going into like a teal. I love this paper here. And it is a Christmas line called Under the Gum Leaves. What a strange name, right? Now Kaiser Craft's paper is really thin, so this will probably be a layering piece, and I will use this one here from Vicky Boutin. And I'm trying to think which collection this is from Vicky Boutin. This might be from the Kaleidoscope, I think. And I paired those two together as a nut brown and red. And I am going to document this very, very, very old photograph of my husband in high school playing football. But doesn't that go together perfectly? Now I'm going to add some other papers here. So I have this scrap of wood grain that I can incorporate. I have this kind of French vanilla, F for French vanilla, right? Then I have this cut apart, which we have the red and the nut in here. So I have that as a cut apart, or I can use this side for some journaling. Then I brought in some basic black and white cardstock from Close to My Heart. So that is my paper selections with my photographs I pre-selected. Like I said, I have no idea how the layouts are going to come together, what design elements I'm going to use. I'm going to leave this like this. All right, for embellishment, so I have these puffy items. We've got nut brown, we have the forest green, we have that lava red. We also can use the pop of black for the kitty cat. What I call that, I came up with this cute name, kitty cat black, which also I am bringing in these liquid pearls in an oxy, it's called oxy pearl color. For the UCLA gold, I'm bringing in the Nuva drops crystal, Nuva crystal drops in mustard gold. So that's an element. All right, I have these puffy stickers that came out, was it Sparkles collection, whatever, from Chamel. It doesn't say on here, does it? Sparkles City, I think, yes. And I like this here. This winter green here will work. This winter green will work. That's what I'm leaning towards, is trying to incorporate those two puffy stickers. And it changes my camera lighting. I'm sorry, when I bring in the glare. I picked this regarding my boo-boo on my hand. I thought about incorporating that in there. Of course, I have these old Jolie's Boutique football stickers. Not sure if I'll use this right here, but this red goes good. This might clash too much. So I have that. That was in my stash. I have these Vicky Bouton round. They're not, I guess they're not that puffy, but they're something like puffy now. Stickers. I only have a few die cuts, and I was just going by the colors, and I'll come back to that in a minute. I also have these puffy stickers that are from Prima. Again, it has all the colors that I've chose on my paper selections to incorporate. Then for Alpha Words, oh, one more, chipboard. All right, I got my dog settled down. So in the chipboard, this is from what is it called? Wildflower and Honey. And of course it's got the black and the gold in here. And some more of like the amber and the red and the hunter green. So I thought I might be able to use some of these elements in here. So here's the amber, here's the lava, the black I have. So that's the reason why I chose that. Then one of the titles, I want to use the word giggles on that one with my family members. And this has beautiful, vacate, adventure, smile, happy day, family. So I can really incorporate a lot of that. This, I'm trying to use up these hearts here. I'm not going to be able to use the word no. And here I'm thinking the one where I got a boob on my arm is use the word breathe. So that was my idea. Doesn't mean that's what I'm going to do when I start creating, but those are the only items I have pre-selected for my kit. I give myself permission always to add additional embellishments, and it may be enamel dots, it may be some sequins, but I think I'm going to stick with just Nuvo Drop. So I'll probably bring in some other Nuvo Drop colors as I create, and I definitely need to bring in some more die cut pieces. I just don't know at this point, and I've said this before, if you get stuck, just move on, because sometimes the rest of your embellishments that you need are going to come later as you create. Definitely, if you need to spend more time because it's not readily available to you, it's not near you, close, and you have to hunt, then definitely take the time to pre-select everything that you need for your kit. That is not the case for me. If you're new to my channel, then I will just let you know that everything is in arm's reach for me, and some of it is a half an arm reach because I work off this really small desk area. All right, I appreciate you all. I can't wait to see what you create. If you are new, then let me take a moment to let you know that I will have the link to our Facebook group, which you can go over there and join. And you can browse through the albums to get inspired and help you put your kit together. Don't be afraid to go over there and ask questions or leave comments below, or your questions below here on my channel or any of the Mini Kit Monday Ladies channels. What you do is you snap a photograph of your kit, you upload it to the November album, you create a layout once a week, and you put it in that album, and you will get a chance to win a curated kit or a gift card. I know a lot of the ladies lean towards giving out gift cards because they want to make sure that whoever is the winner use products that they like to use or their color selections. I'm not sure what Shannon is going to do. We'll all find out. Anyway, I appreciate you all. Most of all, get out those photographs, document those memories in a fun, creative way using your scrappy stash. Or if you don't have much of a scrappy stash, then go get yourself some products so that you can document those memories. All right, keep coming back, give a thumbs up. And like I said before, I appreciate you all. We'll see you next time. Bye.